Hi, this is Shankar. I'm working as assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. And today we are going to discuss about domain models from object-oriented analysis and design. Let us see what is domain model. A domain model is a visual representation of conceptual classes or real situation objects in a domain. Domain models have also been called conceptual models, domain object models, and analysis object models. Applying UML notation, a domain model is illustrated with a set of class diagrams in which no operations are defined. It may shows domain objects or conceptual classes, associations between conceptual classes, and attributes of conceptual classes. An example is given here. So here we have many conceptual classes called sale line item, sale, payment, item, store, and registers. Every classes have an associations and relationship between two classes also. For example, if you consider sale line item and item, the sale line item records of item. The association is record sale of. And the relationship between those two classes are 1 to 1 or 0 to 1. That has been numbered between two classes. And some classes having attributes, some classes may not have an attributes. And but every class having an association. If you consider sale line item and sale, the sale line item contained in sale and sale paid by payment, sale capture on register, item stocked in store, store houses register. So every classes have an association and relationship, right? And next we need to know how to create a domain model. There are three steps we should follow for creating a domain model. First, we need to find the conceptual classes. For example, if you consider this diagram, the conceptual classes are sale line item, sale, payment, item, store, and register. These are the conceptual classes. We need to find what conceptual classes we need to draw a domain model. And next, draw them as classes in a UML class diagram. We know the special notation to draw class diagrams, right? So based on the class notation UML diagram, we are writing, drawing class diagrams. And finally, we have to associate or we have to add the association and attributes. See, for every classes, we have added association and attributes. Some classes may not have an attribute. That's not a problem. And next, from the domain model, it is a virtual representation of conceptual classes or real situation objects in a domain, not for software objects like Java or C++ classes or C# classes or software objects with responsibilities. Therefore, the following elements are not suitable in a domain model. For example, software artifact such as window or database and responsibilities or methods. So these are the not suitable for domain model. So here three diagrams are given. The first diagram contains sale and the class sale having one attribute called date and time. So it is the visualization of a real world concept in the domain of interest, and it is not a picture of software class. So it is valid one. It has class and attribute date and time only. And next you just see it is sales database. So it is actually software artifact. So what we said, the software artifacts are not suitable for creating a domain model. So we need to avoid it. And next one we have the next one, sale class. It has two attributes, date and time, and it has the method called print. What second point we had discussed, it should not have any responsibilities or method. But as of this sale class, it is having a method called print, right? So it will not used as domain model, right? Yes, so it is not part of the domain model, but it may be class, but it will not be part of domain model. It is a simple example which are valid and which are not valid for a domain model. Thank you all for watching this lecture series. Thank you all.